Hello students, you know the variance of a random variable x. That is, if x is any random variable, then variance of x is equal to expectation of x minus e of x square. And a and b are any constant, then variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. We have seen that. Now, what is the variance of linear combination of random variables? So let x1, x2, x3, xn be n random variables. Then variance of summation of aixi or variance of a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus an xn is equal to, here summation of ai square into variance of xi plus 2 into summation of ai aj, double summation, I is going from 1 to n and j is going from 1 to n. Here I less than j, ai aj into covariance of xi xj. If ai is equal to 1, means a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1, a3 is equal to n, an is equal to 1, then variance of a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus an xn is equal to a1 square into variance of x1 plus a2 square into variance of x2 plus an square into variance of xn plus summation I going from 1 to n and summation j is going from 1 to n covariance of xi xj. So this is the variance of linear combination of random variables. You know that if x1 and x2 are independent random variables, then covariance between them is 0. Here, if x1, x2, x3, xn are pairwise independent, means covariance of x1, x2 0, covariance of x2, x3 0, covariance of x3, x4 0, covariance of xn minus 1 xn is equal to 0. Then variance of a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus an xn is equal to a1 square into variance of x1 plus a2 square into variance of x2 plus up to the an square into variance of xn. Now here, if you put a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1 and remaining constants a3, a4 up to the an are 0, then variance of x1 plus x2 is equal to variance of x1 plus variance of x2 plus 2 times covariance of x1 and x2. Again here, if you take x1 and x2 are independent random variables, then covariance between them is 0. Therefore, you obtain variance of x1 plus x2 is equal to variance of x1 plus variance of x2. Similarly, if you take a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to minus 1, then variance of x1 minus x2 is equal to a1 is equal to 1 square 1, variance of x1 plus a2 is square, a2 is minus 1 square, minus 1 square is plus 1, therefore plus variance of x2, then here minus 2 into covariance of x1 x2. And same here, if covariance between them 0 when x1 and x2 are independent variables, then in that both cases a1 is equal to and a2 is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to minus 1, so you obtain variance of x1 plus x2 is equal to variance of x1 plus variance of x2 if x1 and x2 are independent random variables. Similarly, if you take x and y are any two random variables, a and b are any two constants, then variance of ax plus by is equal to a square into variance of x plus b square into variance of y. When this happens, if and only if x and y are independent random variables, means covariance between x and y is 0, then you have this result. Now we see one example. our mathematical expectation. Example, if a coin is tossed until a head appears, then what is the mathematical expectation? Then what is the mathematical expectation of number of tosses required, of number of tosses required? Solution means you have a coin and you are going to toss a coin. Suppose in first attempt you get head, then no harm. Then you know that probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Until a head appears. In second you get tail and then you obtain head. TH. Then you have the 2 tosses required. Then what is its probability? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So in this way you obtain the values of x, and by definition of mathematical expectation you find the required mathematical expectation of number of tosses required. Let x be a random variable of number of tosses required. Let x be a random variable of getting a first head. Let x be a random variable, number of tosses required of number of tosses required to obtain or to get a first head. Then x can be written in the following way. X can be written as follows. So you have event, then x is equal to x, small x means capital X, assume the values x1, x2, x3, xn, and its probability of x is equal to x means p of x. So what is event? You toss a coin and you get head, then event is yes. Here x, number of tosses required 1, then its probability is 1 by 2. Then event is TH. Then here number of tosses 2. Then its probability is probability of getting tail 1 by 2, probability of getting head 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4. Similarly, T, then you obtain T and obtain H. So, number of tosses 3, Therefore 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 8. Then T, 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 and then yes, number of tosses 4. X be a random variable of number of tosses required to get a first head, to get a head. Then its probability is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 16. Continuing in this way until a head appears. A coin is tossed until a head appears, and so on. And we have to find its corresponding probability. Therefore, by definition of mathematical expectation, you have what is E of x? E of x is equal to summation of x into P of x. So here, therefore, E of x is equal to here number of tosses required, x is equal to 1 into 1 by 2. E of x is equal to 1 into 1 by 2, then plus 2 into 1 by 4, then plus 3 into 1 by 8, then plus 4 into 1 by 16, and so on. Suppose this is number 1. So this is a arithmetic geometric series of geometric progression having the common ratio 1 by 2. And you have to find sum of this. So I will remove this table because we have used this table. So your E of x is equal to this. Let I will write E of x here. E of x is equal to 1 into 1 by 2, then plus 2 into 1 by 4, then plus 3 into 1 by 8, plus and so on. I will remove this. Let S is equal to, you have to find this sum. S is equal to 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2, or simply 1 by 2, plus 2 into 1 by 4, plus 3 into 1 by 8, plus 4 into 1 upon 16, and so on. Suppose this is number 2. Then you divide each term by 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 into S is equal to, first term is here, 1 into 1 by 2 into 2 means 1 by 4, plus 2 into 1 by 8, plus 3 into 1 by 2 into 8 means 16, plus and so on. 4 into 1 upon 32, then plus, suppose number 3. Subtracting 3 from 2 we get, subtracting equation 3 from 2 we get. So you subtract left side to left side and right side to right side of each term. Here S minus 1 by 2 into S is equal to so here 1 by 2, you are going to subtract 3 from 2. Therefore 1, here no term of 1 by 2. 1 minus 0 means 1. 1 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. Then plus. Here 2 into 1 by 4. Here 1 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 common. 2 minus 1. 1. Then plus 1 by 4. Plus here 3 minus 2. Again 1. 1 upon 8. then 1 upon 4 common, 4 minus 3, again 1 plus 1 upon 16 and so on. Or this can be written as, and left side is 1 minus 1 by 2 means 2 minus 1 upon 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into S is equal to, here this can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon 2 cube plus 1 upon 2 raised to 4 plus and so on. So, right hand series, this series is a purely geometric series having the common ratio 1 by 2. And you know that its addition is first term upon 1 minus common ratio. So, what is this addition? First term. So, this is a geometric series having common ratio R is equal to 1 by 2. So, its summation is first term upon 1 minus common ratio is equal to, first term is here 1 by 2 upon 1 minus common ratio is again 1 by 2. So here 1 minus 1 by 2 means again 1 by 2. 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 means again 1. Therefore, 1 by 2 into S is equal to 1. So this implies S is equal to 2. So you substitute 2. What is the value of S? S is equal to this. This means right side of E of X. Using 1 we have, or using 1 we get E of X is equal to S means 2. Thus your question is, what is the, if you toss a coin, then what is the mathematical expectation of number of tosses required? Here the number of tosses, expectation of number of tosses required is 2. When if you toss a coin and getting a head, until you toss a coin and you have to find a number of tosses required until a head appears. Similarly, you find the mathematical expectation until a tail appears, and its answer is also 2. So you remember this. So we stop here. Thank you.